So this is Anish Williams, who is currently working as a technology entrepreneur. So Anish, why don't you give us a brief synopsis of your career and your main motive for choosing your path?
So I'm a financial services person. I started off with institutions like American Express, Citibank, and developed products and businesses for retail customers, including products like mutual funds, saving bank accounts, credit cards, etc. Uh, Over the last 10 years, I've built a financial technology platform, and now I'm a technology entrepreneur driving that. I chose this path because I thought in India, financial services is still fairly underpenetrated, and the way you could take financial services to the masses is by technology, which helps us reduce the cost of doing business and helping us reach customers across the country.
All right. So how do you feel that technology will impact financial services on the whole in the future?
I think there are three very important things that we need to look at in terms of how technology is going to redefine financial services in the future. The first is going to be in terms of reach. Technology enables us to reach a lot many more people across the country. It's easy today. Everybody's on a phone device. Everybody's on a laptop, and enabling financial institutions to conduct business with retail individuals. Technology helps provide that reach into everybody's phone, everybody's laptop machine. So first is reach. Second is going to be costs. So the whole concept of physical interactions, setting up branches is extremely expensive. And using technology, you can actually deliver financial services to the larger audience in a very, very cost effective manner. And the third is security. Uh, when you do transactions, when you do financial transactions digitally, everything is controlled, monitored, and it ensures that there is absolute security in the transactions. It is visible to all interested parties in terms of what transactions are happening. So I think technology is going to change in terms of reach, cost, and security.
All right. So what guidance do you have for someone who looks to be a entrepreneur in technology in the future?
I think the first thing, there are two guidances for people, which is important. First is curiosity. I think it's important for individuals who want to go down to be able to research, understand, see customer behavior. It's not necessarily standard, textbook in terms of what needs to get done. They have to be able to go back and see how do they create new experiences for users, how do they reach out to new users, how do they build security layers for new users. So they've got to be continuously observing and being curious about how all these things work. Number one. Number two is it's going to be you need to have imagination. You see the problems through curiosity, and then you need to sort of conceptualize solutions in your mind in terms of, so how do I fix this problem? And and if you're able to find the problem with the curiosity, find the solution through your imagination, I think this would be two very essential steps in being able to solve not only financial technology, but also the technology gives you a platform to build. It gives you a platform to imagine and build. So I think having being curious and having imagination are the two critical ingredients for a technology entrepreneur.
All right. So how do you measure success?
I think success is impact in terms of what have you been able to accomplish. We've done a lot of stuff. Did we actually reach out to the users we wanted to? What are users saying about us? Are they enjoying the products that one has built? So I think impact is a very, very important part of success. Impact in terms of the customer group, impact in terms of stakeholders. That's number one, impact. And the number two is learnings. So success is also when you've sort of taken yourself from an experience perspective 10 times higher than where you were when you started. So how much of an impact have you had? How much have you learned for yourself, which is technically an impact for yourself? How much have you learned, and how much have you sort of been able to gain experience and grow forward?
All right. So thank you, Anish. Thank you for your time.
Thanks, Johan. All the best.